You sure this is gonna work?
Well, yeah, that's why I always carry lighters. See? Just fine.
Ah, fresh.
Whoa, did you hear that? I'm gonna go check it out.
Are you kidding me?
You can stay here if you're a scaredy cat.
Crazy Sound Production.
Wait up! What are you looking at?
Button. Somebody was here. Let's go check it out. Look at this.
I got the button. Can't get the button.
I got an idea.
Yes!
You're coming with us.
Yeah.
What the?
What?
Let's move. So where exactly are you taking us? Don't even worry about it. Just keep your pie hole shut and keep walking.
So, what are you guys doing out here?
We're just camping, sir.
Sounds right.
What was that?
I don't know, I'm gonna check it out.
Oh, hey, what the hell? Where's Agent Chase? He said he was gonna go check out some noise, but he never came back. I know exactly what happened. Grab some guns.
Awesome.
All right, get moving, fellas. I'll be right there. Let me just grab my walkie-talkie. This is a nice suit.
Look at this.
Hey, cool, you turned our fire back on. You can't even bite me because of that stupid mouth guard.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Wow, that was a close. If we don't make it, I got one thing to tell you. I ate your Oreos.
What?
Brother, are you okay? Camping sucks. Let's go home and play video games.